Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Zoom mobile app for free video conferences. If you're using any mobile and you want to use Zoom for your mobiles, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and you have to install your Zoom app. Once you have installed, just tap on this open option and here you have to very first sign in with your account. Now you have to select the sign in or the sign in option. So I'm going to select sign in from here and then select or you have to enter your email or phone number. I'm going to continue with my Google account. So here just log in with your account. Just tap on this continue option here and your account will be logged in. After that you must have to accept the cookies and here you have to enter your birth year. And once you have entered your birth year, just tap on this continue option here and then tap on this create account and your account will be created. Now, once you have created your Zoom account, you can now easily use your Zoom mobile app. You must have to enable notifications and then continue this option. And here, if you want to get access to your calendars, you must have to select allow full access option. And then you can see this Zoom Workplace Pro. If you want to use Zoom Workplace Pro options, you must have to tap on this second opt option here. And then you must have to select any package if you want to select, but I'm going to select done option, then tap on get started here. And here if you want to join any Zoom conference, just tap on this join option and then enter your meeting ID, or you can direct join using any link, or if you want to create your own meet, so just tap on this meet option here and then just tap on start meeting and your Zoom will start in the meeting here. Now you have to allow Zoom to access your camera, then your microphone here, and after that just tap on this start option. And here just wait for this connecting option, then tap on allow to access your microphone. And here your Zoom online meeting has been created. Now you can add your more friends. Just tap on this more option here and you can select different settings from here. You can disconnect your audio or you can also add participants from here. Just tap on this plus option and then you can easily copy this invitation link and then share it to the person with which you want to join your Zoom meeting. You can also send emails and message or invite your contacts. So in this way you can easily use Zoom mobile app for free in the video conferences. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.